Hey there, it's Brian from BTech, and today we're going to go over how to get around the limitation that Taja.AI has with their YouTube API. I'm going to start off by telling you exactly what an API is if you're not completely sure. An API basically is a connector in order to bring two pieces of software together, and it's done without having to do manual clicks and things like that. It's called an application programming interface. So, because Taja.AI is a tool, an online tool, portal, website, software as a service application that is connecting in the background to YouTube to both pull video and push video content and text content to the platform, it needs to use the YouTube Google API. So, I'm going to log in. And if you're not familiar with Taja, take a look at some of my other videos on it. But basically, I've got a video I just uploaded, and I'm going to paste that unpublished link from YouTube right here. And what this is going to do is going to use that API, the application programming interface, to go from Taja to YouTube through the Google YouTube connector, because YouTube is owned by Google. And what it's going to do is it's going to then pull out that information, the video information. It's going to analyze it. It's going to look at that video, transcribe that video, and then build up titles, 5 titles. It's going to build up description, keywords, tricky phrases, things like that. Secondarily, what you do with it after this point is you look at it, you review it, and then when it looks good to you, you will push it back to YouTube. And although this is convenient for software developers like Taja, Google does charge and put restrictions on this because it is their platform. And although they want people on it, they also want to make a little bit of money on the side, and they don't want it abused. So the functionality here, there are limits. There are API limits. Depends on how many times you're calling this. Limits typically are requests per second, RPS. So depending on how many people, first of all, are using the platform at the same time making those calls, and then how many calls this product actually uses at once, I'm not sure. I haven't explored the YouTube API. I guess I could, so that I could give you a better understanding. Let me know if you want to see a little bit more about that, and I'll do some research on it for you. I don't use it, so it's not really important for me. I'm using this tool that they've already got it there. What we have been seeing, for the most part, is a message here from Taja that says that there's a problem with the APIs, they're working on it, et cetera, et cetera. And there's a way around it. So here we have an initial problem even getting the information. So this is good. We'll take a look. Sometimes this really doesn't matter, and it actually did something. So let's first see if it actually did anything. We'll refresh this page. Doesn't look like it. I'm going to hit, let's go to the content calendar. Sorry, let's go to the dashboard. That's where we want to go. And we'll go down a little bit lower. Okay, this was the one. Okay, so it does look like it has some information. So let's click on that. And nothing really. So this is telling me that it wasn't actually able to get to YouTube and do what it needed to do. So we'll click start one more time. We'll give it one more go. And if it doesn't work, what we'll do is we will go another way. So to recap, there are 2 different ways that this product is interacting with YouTube. Number 1, you put in the link of an unlisted or private video or even a public video. It's supposed to go look at this thing. It's supposed to analyze it, create transcripts, create titles, create keywords, create all those things. That's one. And then the second one is once you've finished it and proofread it and everything, you like it, you can push it back to the channel. So the idea is upload once to YouTube, and then you do all the rest of the stuff in Taja, and then it pushes it back all nice and beautiful to your channel. This worked initially when I started using this back a year ago. Recently, they've had problems that they haven't been able to solve for whatever reason. Could be cost. Most likely, it's working with Google, working with YouTube. I've seen that a lot. Now, Taja doesn't know I'm making this video. I haven't talked to them. I haven't got deep with their tech support about this, but they're obviously tight-lipped about it. Lots of times what happens is I've seen the same thing with Amazon. They're just really specific about their API, who gets it, how you can get it, what the limits are. And if there's something that they don't like for whatever reason, they can just suspend your ability to use it. And then you have to go through hoops and hurdles to try and get that back. And sometimes it just makes you want to pull your hair out. If you've got an app that's using it, maybe this is the case with Taja. If you know, let me know. But in general, I like the product. I did get it. In full disclosure, I got it through another site, which is called AppSumo, which had like a lifetime deal. It's kind of expensive, but I don't have to pay monthly. Now, if I was on a subscription where I had to pay monthly for this is completely broken and I would cancel it. But considering that I have it as an unlimited and I don't pay monthly for this, then I'm going to continue to use it because it is useful in some of the things it does. It still kind of helps my workflow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this because I don't want to keep you waiting in real time. I've discussed what I need to discuss, and we'll come back when this either doesn't work, and then we move forward, or it works. Hey, it's back. It's back. I'm back. It's still spinning. So I am going to try and kill this guy. Yep. I'm just going to go up here and hit enter. All right, so we're going to go back to the dashboard. And we're going to click this button right here. This is the upload button. Now, couldn't we have done this from the beginning? And the answer to that is yes. The only problem is there are some other features of this platform that require you to be able to paste in the YouTube link and not do a direct upload. So you kind of lose those other good features if you use direct upload. But in this case, I want the title, I want the description, I want the timestamps. I don't really care. So I'm going to take my video that has uploaded from Loom, or downloaded from Loom, and I'm going to hit get started. So because the original sync from YouTube didn't work, I 100% absolutely don't believe that a sync to YouTube would work at this point anyway. So again, bummer. At this point, I wouldn't recommend this app unless you got in on the unlimited deal through AppSumo or something else like that. It's just the core functionality of it is broken. And I'm going to pause you here to save you. And as soon as I said that, it came back on. So here we go. You've probably been familiar with this. Hopefully you're familiar with it. Okay, so this sounds good. So I'll actually copy that by clicking. At least there's a nice little copy feature here that is a plus for this app. I'm going to go to my content. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to hit A/B testing. I'm going to put that in 3. You don't have to do this, but I kind of like these both. So I'll start the test. Okay, cool. So let's go over here. I'm going to copy that. Always spot check this. This is AI doing it for you. Okay, so we'll have another video on how to fix this. I'm not Brian, I'm Brian. And BTech actually has a H. Okay. Yeah. Like the chapters, I've already done a Canva, so I've got that. I'm gonna put that on there. Staying Safe Online is my new playlist. So that is basically it. That's how we use Taja workaround. So use the AI functionality of it to build our description and our titles. It does have the ability to do a thumbnail. I don't like it. What we're going to do is we're going to leave this in unlisted. We are going to actually switch this over to schedule. We're going to do it on Valentine's Day. I don't care about the time zone. Let's do 4 a.m. Done. So one of the things that you want to do also, if you're watching this video, perhaps you're doing something with a channel on YouTube. So what I've heard, and you let me know if you've heard the same thing, but as soon as you upload a video, like the important thing is to get instant reaction. People seeing it, people commenting on it, people liking it. That's the important thing for the algorithm to get the organic growth, right? So in order to have YouTube actually do this appropriately, it has to understand about the video that you've uploaded. So it takes time to do that. So if you've uploaded something today, it shouldn't be posted today. It should be posted on the next day at minimum. Okay. If you've heard differently, let me know. We're all in this together. Stay with me, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.